In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. To all of you, respected principal teacher and my dear class fellow, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to present a speech on education and importance of education. In the first revelation, Allah says, Ikra, which means to read or to seek knowledge. It means that our first lesson of our life is to seek knowledge. Education plays a very important role in our life. Education is necessary for a great and better life. The objective of getting education is to become a good citizen and a good human being. Education tells us what is right and what is wrong. Education develops our personality and earn respect in the society. Nobel Prize winner Malala Yousafzai, one child, one teacher, one pen and one book changed the world. Respected principal teacher and my fellow student, we should never ignore the importance of education because a lot of social issues are happening just because